Hello again, welcome to my channel. Today we're looking at digraph sounds. Here's the first one. Shh, says the snake to the horse. Shh, said the snake to the horse. Together. Shh, you try. Well done. Ch, ch. Curly caterpillar tickles the horse's nose, and he said, ch, 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 ch. You try. Very different from this one. Shh. That's just blowing wind. Shh. This one's from your voice. Ch, ch. Not. Thank you, said the princess in the tower to the horse. Thank you, said the princess in the tower to the horse. The sound. Again, it's just wind. Let's see if we can write some words using these sounds. Let's write some words. Sh, o, up, shop, shop. That's at the beginning. Let's have one at the end. W, itchy insects. I, sh, w, I, sh, wish. Well done. Ch, ch, I, n, ch, I, n, chin, chin. At the end, w, a, ch, watch, watch, watch. Last pair. Got two digraphs in that one. Ink, ink. Say that sound with me. Ink. The n and k quickly together. Ink, ink. Three sounds. Ink. Thank, thank. That's at the beginning. Let's have the digraph at the end. B, a, b, a, bath, bath. Well done, everyone. We've been learning digraph sounds. Ch, sh, and we've looked at them at the beginning of the word and at the end of words. Well done for joining in. Hope to see you again soon. Bye bye for now.